talk briefly about the fiancé visa. So the fiancé visa has seemed to gain popularity in the past 5 years or so, and essentially it is an immediate relative petition. Only U.S. citizens are allowed to apply for the fiancé visa for their immigrant fiancé. So the K visa allows a U.S. citizen to bring their foreign-born fiancé to the United States with the intention of getting married. If you're already married outside the United States, then this would not apply. You cannot use the fiancé visa, and you have to go through the immigrant visa green card process. And the other fact is that the fiancé must be outside of the United States, not in the United States, where they may be temporarily in the United States, but they cannot be permanently residing in the United States or have some other permanent visa like an H-1B, not permanent visa, but another temporary visa like an H-1B or something where they are resident. They must be resident outside the United States in order to qualify as a fiancé. And that would make sense because it doesn't really help if someone is already in the US, then usually they can just apply immediately after marriage. So both partners must be legally free to marry. So you have to show that if you have any prior marriages, you have to provide proof of divorce or death certificates if you're widowed. So that's definitely a requirement to prove that you're legally free to marry. And key to that also is that you have to prove that you have met the fiance within the past 2 years, physically met them, have either usually gone to their country and have pictures of you together, have maybe statements from other people, notarized statements showing that they know that you have been together in that country, travel tickets tickets to travel to those countries. You have to show that before you apply within the past 2 years, you have actually met each other. And it's not just all been correspondence and an agreement to marry. After the fiancé visa is issued, then the spouse or the not spouse, but the fiancé can come to the US and within 90 days get married. And once married, then they actually apply for the green card itself to become